Hey, so every developer is aware of GitHub these days. We usually work over GitHub, we go over GitHub website, we find some project, we clone those projects in our editors. That edit could be Visual Studio, VS Code, anything. Today trick, we will try to, work within GitHub website. We don't need to clone those projects to our local machine and start working. So let me show you those tricks. So the first trick is within over here, you can go and start typing right before .com, say 1s and hit enter from your keyboard. See the magic. So here you can see a very nice editor which is called VS Code, and you have all the option what option you have on your local machine, right? You have Git option, you have search option, you have that Explorer option, here your Git option, right? Sorry, this one, source control Git option, right? So all those options you have the same. Over here you can see your files are open, you can open any file, you can start making changes, but with this shortcut, this is only read-only view. If you try to type something, you cannot see there is some error, so you can't do that. Okay, now worries, there is another trick. So this trick is just for read-only. If you just wanted to see the file, let's go back to that file, this project again. Now what you have to do if you wanted to make a changes by editing those projects, what you have to do, from your keyboard press dot button. So now right now I'm pressing dot. Let's see the magic. Oops. Cool. So I can see the same editor here, but now the difference is over here I can make some changes. See, right? So I can see some changes now. If I go to over here, say program.cs, see my changes are still there. So this save is live save. Right away you are making changes, it is getting saved. So let's just confirm if it is getting saved or not. Go back, say dot again, and let's see if the changes are saved or not. Great, so I can see the changes, right? So this is what we have typed, make some changes. Cool. I hope you enjoyed, and if you are very new to this channel, please subscribe so we can keep learning the new things.